today I'm going to do problems of rational and irrational number. Okay, number one question. Find 6 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. That is, in between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, I need to insert 6 rational numbers. So to insert 6 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, I need to make denominators of 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 equal. So for that, first I need to take a LCM of their denominators, that is 2 and 3, which is equals to 6. Now I need to make a denominators of 1 by 2 is equals to 6 and 2 by 3 is equals to 6. So for that, first number, that is 1 by 2, I need to multiply it by 3. So multiplying both numerators and denominators by 3, I'll get 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Similarly, 2 by 3 is going to multiply by 2, which is equals to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So I have made a denominators of 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 is equals to 6. So 1 by 2 becomes a 3 by 6 and 2 by 3 becomes 4 by 6. This is called a like fraction. Step 2, very important. Now I need to insert a 6 rational number. I need to insert a 6 rational number. To insert a 6 rational numbers in between, so I need to multiply 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 by 6 plus I will add 1, which is equals to 7. So be careful, it's a very important step. I need to insert a 6 rational numbers. Now I will multiply my like fraction, that is 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 by 6 plus 1. I need to add 1 over here, so I'll get 7. So now multiplying 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 by 7, I'll get 3 7s are 21, 6 into 7 is equals to 42, 4 7s are 28 and 6 7s are 42. Now I need to insert a 6 number in between 21 and 28, and those numbers are 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So how many numbers I have inserted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can say that 21 is less than 22, 22 is less than 23, 23 is less than 24, 24 is less than 25, 25 is less than 26, 26 is less than 27, 27 is less than 28. But I have 21 by 42. So now I'll divide all this number by 42. So it becomes 21 by 42 less than 22 by 42. 23 by 42 is less than 24 by 42 is less than 25 by 42. 26 by 42 is less than 27 by 42, less than 28 by 42. Okay, let me repeat this answer one more time. Let me explain this one more time. First, given numbers. Okay, let me explain one more time. I need to insert 6 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So I'll make their denominators equal. To make denominators equal, I need to take LCM of their denominators, that is 2 and 3 is equals to 6. Now I need to make 1 by 2. That means now I need to convert this 2 and 3 is equals to 6. So for that, I'll multiply this 1 by 2 by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Similarly 2 by 3 by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now they are a like fraction. I need to insert the 6 rational number. So 6, I will add 1 is equals to 7. So with this 7, I am going to multiply 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. So after multiplication, 3 by 6 by 7, I'll get 3 7s are 21, 6 7s are 42. And similarly, 4 by 6 multiply by 7, 4 7s are 28, 6 7s are 42. Now I need to insert a 6 number between 21 and 28, and the numbers are 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We know that 21 is less than 22, is less than 23, is less than 24, is less than 25, is less than 26, is less than 27, is less than 28. So now, but I have a 21 by 22 and 21 by 42 and 28 by 42. So now I'll divide all this number with 42. So I'll get 21 by 42, 22 by 42, 23 by 42, 24 by 42, 25 by 42, 26 by 42, 27 by 42, and 28 by 42. Point to be noted. Now instead of 6 rational number, if question says that to insert a 3 rational number, so we'll multiply our like fraction by 3 plus 1, 4. Similarly 5, so I need to multiply 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Now next, we'll do a cancellation. So we'll do a cancellation. So 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are, cancel it with a 2, 2 11. So it's 2 twos are 4, 1s are 2, 23 by 42 remains as it is. It's 12, 2 twos are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, so it's 4 by 7, 25 by 42 remains the same, 26 with the 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, it's 2 2s are 4, 2 1s, so 13 by 21 with the 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so it's a 9 by 14. With 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 with a 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So we got 1 by 2, 11 by 21, 23 by 42, 4 by 7, 25 by 42, 13 by 21, 9 by 14, 2 by 3. So therefore 6 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are 11 by 21, 23 by 42, 4 by 7, 25 by 42, 13 by 21 and 9 by 14. My next question is rationalize the denominators. So question is 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2. So I need to rationalize a denominator. So for that I will multiply both numerators and denominators by 3. Instead of this plus I will write minus. So I will multiply both numerators and denominators by 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. Now after multiplication, 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 can be written as 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. This is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b can be written as a square, that is a 3 square, minus b square, that is a 2 root 2 square. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square, so I can write a square, that is a 3 square, minus twice ab, that is a 2 root 2 plus b square. B square means 2 root 2 whole square. This square of 3 is 9, square of 2 root 2 is 2 2s are 4, and square of root 2 is 2, so 4 2s are 8. So I will get square of 3 is 9 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, root 2 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So it's 8, 9 minus 8, which is equals to 9 plus 18 is 17 minus 12 root 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. So this is your final answer. Now my next question is simplify 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2. it's a very important problem. We have different technique to solve this type of problem, but here I'm going to follow an easy one. So first I'm going to simplify this each term 1 2 3, these three terms separately. So first I am going to simplify 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 by rationalizing its denominator. So to rationalize its denominators, I need to multiply numerator as well as denominators by root 10. Instead of plus, I'll write minus root 3. So now multiplying numerators and denominators by root 10 minus root 3, I'll get 7 1 jar 7, root 3 into root 10 is a 3 10 jar 30, so it's a root 30. 7 root 3 into root 3, so root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3. So 7 into 3 is equals to 21. This is in the form of a plus b and a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So that is root 10 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So now I'll take 7 common out. So I'll get, when I take 7 common out, root 30 minus 7 3s are 21, so 3 divided by square of root 10 is 10 minus square of root 3 is 3. So I will get 7 root 30 minus 3 divided by 7 is 7, and 7 will get cancelled, which is equals to root 30 minus 3. That is value of 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 is equals to root 30 minus 3. Now I'm going to simplify this expression, that is 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5. I'm going to multiply both numerators and denominators by root 6. Instead of plus, I'll write minus root 5. So when I multiply both numerators and denominators by root 6 minus root 5, this is called a rationalization of denominators. I will get 2, 1 jar 2, root 5 into root 6 is root 30, minus 2, root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, divided by, this is in the form a plus b, a minus b, so I'll write a square minus b square, that is root 6 square minus root 5 square. So now 2 root 30 minus 10 divided by square of root 6 is 6 minus square of root 5 is 5. So now I will get 2 root 30 minus 10. 6 minus 5 is 1, so we will not write. That is the value of 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 is equals to 2 root 30 minus 10. Now third expression, that is a 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2. I am going to simplify this expression by rationalization of denominators. That is, I am going to multiply 3 root 2 divided by 15 plus root 15 plus 3 root 2 by root 15 minus 3 root 2 plus changes into minus while doing a rationalization. So now 3 1 jar 3, root 2 into root 15 is root 30, 3 into 3 is 9, root 2 into root 2 is 2, so 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18. This is in the form a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square, that is root 15 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. Now from here I'll take 3 common out. When I take 3 common out, root 30 minus 3 into 6 is 18 divided by square of root 15 is 15 minus square of 3 root 2 is equals to 18, that is 15 minus 18. How come this? square of 3 is 9 and square of root 2 is 2. So 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. This is equals to 3 root 30 minus 6 divided by minus 3. Why minus? Because 18 is greater than 15. Since the sign of 18 is minus, so it's a minus 3. Now this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So it becomes minus 30 because of this minus. This minus into minus is plus, plus 6. So value of 3 root 2 divided by 15, root 15 plus 3 root 2 is equals to minus root 30 plus 6. Now actual question is like this: 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2. Now we'll replace this expression by their values. 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3 is equals to root 30 minus 3 minus inside the bracket 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 15 means 2 root 30 minus 10 minus, and 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2 means minus 30 plus 6. Let's simplify it. Root 30 minus 3 minus into plus is minus 2 root 30 minus into minus is plus 10 minus into minus is plus 30 root 30 minus into plus is minus 6. So now this root 30 and this root 30 when I add, I'll get 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30 minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 plus 10. So now plus 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30, these two numbers will get cancelled. 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer for this question is 1. Next, if a and b are rational numbers, find the values of a and b. So if a and b are rational numbers, we need to find the value of a and b. Question is 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to a plus b root 3. So to find the value of a and b, we will rationalize the denominators of left hand side. That is, I am going to rationalize 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 by multiplying them both numerators and denominators by 7. Instead of plus, I write minus 4 root 3. So after multiplication of 5 minus 2 root 3 and 7 plus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3, I will get 5 minus 2 root 3 multiply 7 minus 4 root 3 and 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now let's simplify this. 5 into 7 minus 4 root 3, 5 into 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by, this is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So I'll write a square minus b square. Value of a is 7 and b is 4 root 3. Let's simplify this. 5 7s are 35 minus 5 4s are 20 root 3 plus 2 7s are 14 root 3 minus 2 4s are 8 root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 8 are 24 divided by square of 7 is 49 minus square of 4 root 3 is 48. 4 4s are 16, 16 into 3 is 48. 35 minus 24 is 11, and 20 minus 14, 20 root 3 minus 14 root 3 is 6 root 3 minus 6 root 3. 49 minus 48 is 1. That means your left hand side 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to 11 minus 6 root 3. So instead of this, I will write its value 11 minus 6 root 3 is equals to a plus b root 3. Now let's compare a. So if I compare left hand side and right hand side, a is equals to 11 and b is equals to minus 6. We got the value a is equals to 11, b is equals to minus 6. Next question. If a is equals to 2 plus root 3, then find the value of a minus 1 by a. We got the value of a is equals to 2 plus root 3. Now we'll calculate the value of 1 by a. So 1 by a is equals to 1. Instead of a, I'll write 2 plus root 3. Now I'll rationalize it by multiplying both numerators and denominators by 2 minus root 3. I will get 2 1s are 2 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3. This is 2 square minus root 3 square, which is equals to 2 minus root 3 divided by square of 2 is 4 minus square of root 3 is 3. So which is equals to 2 root 3. So now I need to find the value of a minus 1 by a. Let's put the value a is equals to 2 plus root 3 minus b is equals to 2 minus root 3. So b means 2 minus root 3. So 2 plus root 3 minus into plus is minus 2, minus into minus is plus root 3. So here is 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 into root 3 means 2 root 3. So value of a minus 1 by a is equals to 2 root 3. So if question is like this, if a is even and we need to find the value of a minus 1 by a, so first we need to find the value of 1 by a. Then we'll rationalize it, we'll get the simple value like this, then we'll put it, we'll get the final answer. Okay, next question. Rationalize the denominators of the following and hence evaluate by taking root 2 is equals to 1.414 and root 3 is equals to 1.732 up to 3 decimal place. So first of all, first question, there are two parts of question. First one, I need to rationalize its denominators. So to rationalize the denominators, I am going to multiply both numerators and denominators by 2 instead of plus. I will write minus root 3. I will get 2 root 2 minus root 2 into root 3 is root 6 divided by 2 square minus root 3 square, which is equals to 2 root 2 minus root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Why I am writing root 2 and root 3? Because the value of root 2 and root 3 are given. So square of 2 is 4 minus square of root 3 is 3. So I'll get 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 into square root of root 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. No need to write. So my first answer is over. Rationalize the denominators. So after rationalizing a denominators, I'll get 2 root 2 minus root 2 root 3. Now let's second one, evaluate by taking root 2 1.414 and root 3 1.7732. Now let's put the value of root 2 and root 3. So 2 root 2 means 1.414 minus root 2 means 1.414 into root 3 means 1.732. After multiplication, I'll get 2.828 minus, when I multiply this two number, I'll get 2.449. After subtraction, I'll get 0.379. So we need to write our answer up to 3 decimal place. Up to 3 decimal place means after decimal there must be a 3 digit. So we have 1, 2, 3. That is 379. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now next question is, if a is equals to 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5 and b is equals to 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 minus root 5, find a square minus b square. So first, if the question is like this, first we will rationalize, first we will find the value of a by rationalize its denominator. So for that, I need to multiply both numerators and denominators by 2 minus root 5. So after that, I will get, this is a 2 minus root 5 into 2 minus root 5, which is 2 minus root 5 whole square. This is in the form a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus root 5 square. This is in the form a minus b whole square, so I write a square minus twice ab plus b square divided by square of 2 is 4 and the square of root 5 is 5, so 4 minus 5, and that is 4 minus 5 is minus 1, so I'll write minus square of 2 is 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 root 5 plus square root of 5 is 5, so I'll get 4 minus 4 root 5 plus 5. So now minus 5 plus 4 is 9, minus 4 root 5, so minus into plus is minus 9, minus into minus is plus 4 root 5, that is the value of a is minus 9 plus 4 root 5. Similarly, we'll find the simple value of b by rationalizing its denominators. For that, I need to multiply both numerators and denominators by 2 plus root 5, which is equal to 2 plus root 5 into 2 plus root 5 is 2 plus root 5 whole square divided by 2 square minus root 5 whole square, using a formula a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. This is in the form a plus b whole square, so I'll write a square plus twice ab plus b square divided by square of 2 is 4 minus square of root 5 is 5. So I'll get 4 minus 5 is a minus, so this is square of 2 is 4 plus 2 2s are 4 root 5 plus square of root 5 is 5 now, which is equals to minus 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 plus 4 root 5, minus into plus is a minus 9, minus into plus is minus 4 root 5, so b is equals to minus 9 minus 4 root 5 and a is equals to minus 9 plus 4 root 5. Now we will solve a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Let's put the value of ab. A means minus 9 plus 4 root 5 plus b means minus 9 plus 4 root 5. So this is a plus b, and this is a minus b, which is equals to minus 9 plus 4 root 5 plus into minus is minus 9 plus into minus is minus 4 root 5. Here minus 9 plus 4 root 5. Now minus into minus is plus 9, minus into minus is plus 4 root 5. Now let's solve. So here plus 4 root 5 gets cancelled with minus 4 root 5. Here minus 9 and plus 9 will get cancelled. So I'll get minus is minus, 9 plus 9 is 18, 4 plus 4 is 8, square root of 5. After multiplying this two number, we'll get minus 144 square root of 5. So this is a final answer, that is, this is a value of a square minus b square.